Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to create a poll on Telegram. Polls are the Telegram features that allows owners of channels and group chats to receive feedbacks from subscribers to better understand audience preferences and conduct case studies. If you'd like to create a poll on Telegram and get to know your subscribers better, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Telegram application from the app drawer and make sure you're signed into your account. Telegram polls can be created only in channels and group chats, so make sure to open up a group chat or your Telegram channel. In my case, I've opened up my Telegram channel. Now, simply go ahead and from your channel broadcast screen, go to the bottom right of the page and tap on this attachment clip icon. Now at the bottom, you'll be able to see a poll option. Simply tap it on. Go ahead and create a poll. Ask a question for your poll by typing it in right where it says ask a question. In my case, I'm typing in this question right here. Once you are done, go right beneath and right where it says answer options. Type in your options that you'd like to set for your poll questions. Keep adding more options by tapping on add an option button. You can enter up to 10 answers into the options, so go ahead and add in your answer options as per your requirement. Right where it says settings, you can enable multiple answers by tapping on the button, or you can simply enable the quiz mode. Remember that polls in the quiz mode have only one correct answers and users can't revoke their answer. You can also add an explanation by typing it in the text box. Users will be able to see this text after choosing the wrong answer, which is good for educational purposes. After you're done, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on Create in order to create your poll. Now your poll has been posted to the group chat. That is how you'll be able to create a poll on Telegram quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.